everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. I just wanted to say I had a really great day today at work. Basically worked by myself most of the day, and when someone came by to work with me, it was one of my favorite coworkers, so that was good. Day went by pretty quick, and just did 8 hours because I don't really want to do 9s anymore. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get to it. Alright everyone, end of the day. So I just want to say, in today's video, I'm gonna go back a little bit. So I already recorded some clips, but I want to show you guys hanging some pendant lights. I'm kind of getting bored of just showing you the same thing over and over again every day at the end of the day, everything I've done. So today we're gonna focus on pendant lights, and I'm gonna do a few time lapses of those hanging pendant lights. So I'm using the iPhone time lapse, and it turned out pretty well, but I don't know if I can adjust the settings or not, but I think each clip is like 28 seconds or whatever, so this video might be short. So today we're doing pendant lights, and I'll try to do something else for you tomorrow to kind of switch it up. I'll try to do some like plugs or something else, like either like under counter light or just different type of stuff. I'll try to switch it up so you guys get some different combinations of stuff to learn and stuff. So hope you guys enjoy the video, pendant lights, and all right, let's get to it. So I'm in the first demo unit putting in these pendant lights because they weren't here. They were blanked off like this. So I'm hanging these pendant lights. Here's the switch. It's chilling right there, but if you hit the switch, it turns on. So I'm just gonna now button it up to the ceiling, tuck all the extra wire in there, put the little bracket on the ceiling, screw it in, and then this cover slides up into the bracket, and then it'll be done. Alright, so the first one is up and working. Now I'm gonna do the second one, and I'll try to record that as a time lapse or something. So I accidentally stuck my hand in that. That's actually wax. So I hit the switch and both of these lights come on. This one's going to be a little bit higher because I had to flip the bracket upside down since the box was hanging down. Can't really tell, but maybe a 1/4 inch. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to check out the description for social medias, if you want to follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff, Twitch and all that. So appreciate you stopping by. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe if you're new or want to see more videos tomorrow. Catch you later. Peace out. And I just want to say lastly that my hands survived. My hands felt great after crocheting for 5.5 hours. So Christian, our prayers were answered. The Lord has provided.